Hey, what if I told you that sound could heal your body? Not just soothe your soul, but actually fix broken bones, reduce pain, or even fight Alzheimer's. Sounds crazy, right? Our bodies are like living symphonies, vibrating at specific frequencies, and we're learning how to tune them back to health. Welcome to the Bio-Acoustic Revolution. Today, we're diving into how sound waves interact with our cells and what this means for medicine. Our story starts with an idea as old as time. From Tibetan monks chanting Om to shamans drumming, humans have always believed sound could heal. They weren't totally wrong. Scientists are proving that sound isn't just something we hear. It's something our bodies feel on a cellular level. Your body isn't a silent machine. Your 37 trillion cells are constantly humming, vibrating, even singing their own tiny songs. In the early 2000s, Dr. James Gimzewski used a super-sensitive microscope to listen to yeast cells. Healthy cells had a clear tone, while dying cells sounded messy. Your cells have a soundtrack. Everything in the universe vibrates at specific frequencies, including your cells. When we hit them with the right sound waves, incredible things can happen. Could we use sound to organize and heal our cells? Let's zoom into the science. When a sound wave hits your body, it's a physical force, like a gentle ripple moving through your tissues. This ripple interacts with your cells through mechanotransduction. Your cells have an internal scaffolding called the cytoskeleton, like a spider web that connects everything. When a sound wave hits, it shakes this web, triggering reactions. It can open tiny gates in the cell membrane, letting in calcium ions, which kickstart processes like tissue repair. It can even reach the nucleus and flip switches on your DNA, turning genes on or off. It's all about resonance. Every cell, tissue, or organ has a natural frequency it loves to vibrate at. Hit it with the right frequency, and it's like tuning a guitar string, maximum effect. So what if we could find the perfect frequency for healing specific parts of the body? Now, let's talk about where this is already happening. Low-intensity pulsed ultrasound, or LIPUS, is FDA-approved and used to heal broken bones faster. Studies show it can cut fracture healing time by up to 38% by vibrating osteoblasts, your bone-building cells, to work harder. Then there's vibroacoustic therapy, or VAT. This is where low-frequency sound between 30 and 120 Hz is sent through a special mat or chair you lie on. It feels like a gentle massage, but it can reduce pain, ease muscle tension, and calm your nervous system. It's used for fibromyalgia, arthritis, and stress relief. But the most mind-blowing research? The 40 Hz gamma frequency. Scientists at MIT found that exposing mice with Alzheimer's-like symptoms to light or sound pulsing at 40 Hz could reduce amyloid plaques. These are nasty protein clumps tied to the disease. It also boosted the brain's immune cells and improved memory in those mice. Human trials are underway, and if this works, it could be a game changer for Alzheimer's treatment. Could a simple sound save your brain? Okay, this all sounds amazing, but let's pump the brakes. Bioacoustics isn't a magic bullet yet. There are some big hurdles. First, the placebo effect. If you believe a healing sound will make you feel better, your brain might release feel-good chemicals, making it hard to know if the sound itself is doing the work. Scientists need super-tight studies with objective measures, like blood tests or brain scans, to prove what's real. Second, there's a Wild West problem. The internet is flooded with apps and videos claiming specific frequencies can cure cancer or repair DNA. Most of these claims aren't backed by solid science. For example, those solfeggio frequencies you've heard about, there's no peer-reviewed evidence they do what people say. We need to separate the legit stuff from the hype. Finally, what works in a petri dish doesn't always work in a human body. Sound waves get scattered by skin, fat, and bone. So hitting the right spot with the right frequency is tricky. That's why we need more clinical trials to nail this down. So, where's this all heading? Imagine a world where your doctor prescribes a Sound-ceutical, a device that beams the perfect frequency to fix a specific problem, like a sprained ankle or a foggy brain. We're already seeing early versions of this, like personalized sound therapy devices that adjust frequencies based on your heart rate. Hospitals might start using curated soundscapes to calm patients or speed up recovery. And get this, some companies are analyzing the sound of your voice to detect things like depression or lung issues. Sound isn't just therapy, it could be a diagnostic tool, too. But to get there, we need more research, better standards, and a clear line between science and pseudoscience. The potential is huge, but it's up to us to demand the real deal. Are we ready to listen to what sound can do for our health? The Bio-Acoustic Revolution is just getting started, rewriting what we think medicine can be. From healing bones to potentially saving brains, sound is proving to be more than just noise. It's a language our bodies understand. We're not talking magic here, but hard science. Vibrations that talk to our cells, tune our systems, and maybe even bring us back into harmony. So what do you think? Could sound be the future of healing? Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you tried sound therapy, or are you skeptical? If you love diving into this science, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more videos like this. Let's keep exploring the wild frontiers of science together. Until next time, stay curious.